going to show you how to do this vent pipe flashing. So what you want to do is when you install it, you're going to leave about 2 inches over the top of it so you have enough to fold it over PVC pipe. And then I'm going to use a rod that's pretty sturdy and quite long. Start with one side, push it inwards like that. And using this rod, what you want to do is like bend it like this. We're just gonna need to keep going. All right. So you basically using it as a leverage against the PVC pipe to bend it like such. And I found it to be one of the easiest ways, because these could be a little tricky. Okay. Alright, I hope this video was helpful, and if so, please give it a like. Thanks for watching.